Rhythm, you can take that. Justice Dixit's order. It's just come in.
Niranjan?
Yeah.
Yes. Niranjan, yes, so let's tell our viewers that the hearing in this case will continue at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow. And the breaking news, Justice Dixit's order is clearly saying, pending the further hearing of this case, the court requests the student community and the public at large to maintain peace and tranquility. The court has full faith in the wisdom of the people at large. They've written down and it hopes the same would be put into practice. But the breaking news is also a very important observation coming in from the Karnataka High Court when a high-octave hearing in the case took place, where the court says we appeal to the students, maintain peace and tranquility so that the public is not disturbed. This court has full faith in the wisdom and virtue of public at large, and it hopes the same would be put to practice. The court refers to the judgment of the Supreme Court regarding protests on issues which are sub judice. It's the farmers' protest case that they are appealing to, and they say, I appeal to the people, do not indulge in such activities. So a very emotional plea coming in from the Karnataka High Court that is appealing to the people to not be indulging in violent activities. They are saying, don't disturb the court. If we see fire and blood on TV, we are disturbed. Our heart and intellect will not work. A very important plea coming from Justice Dixit, whose bench will continue hearing the case tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. Simultaneously breaking down what Niranjan has said, the Chief Minister in Karnataka has said that all high school institutions and colleges in the state shall be closed for a period of 3 days. It's a very wise step that has been taken by the Chief Minister, keeping in mind the sort of activities that are taking place and the face-off that's just been seen today in Karnataka. As I'm speaking, let me also tell you, the judges are now saying, I will continue to hear the matter tomorrow. All of you can argue this matter tomorrow. Make sure the arguments do not go on till the end of the academic year. In a lighter vein, he's saying that because the lawyers have this tendency to continue waxing eloquent about their arguments. So he says everyone on record will be permitted to speak subject to no duplication. Keep it short. A very important point on a lighter note, where judges always say keep your argument short so that he can come out with some order. But the larger picture, as the hearing has been adjourned for 2:30 p.m. tomorrow, the court is now stating that we shall be hearing the matter, but they're also appealing to the students to maintain peace, to maintain calm and tranquility so that the public is not disturbed. They've also said, I appeal to the people, do not indulge in any such activities, and have said that we would appeal to maintain peace. They've also said there will, as of now, not be any blanket order. But coming back to also what has been stated as the hearing ends for the day, how the Chief Justice how the Chief Minister has now said, I appeal to the students and the management to maintain calm. I have ordered closure of all high schools and colleges for the next 3 days. All the concerned are requested to cooperate. Viewers, as the two breaking news are coming in together, we also want to say the hearing is ended for 2:30 p.m. tomorrow in the Hijab Rao controversy in the Karnataka High Court. Justice Dixit has made an appeal for peace and tranquility and very clearly given out a clear diktat that they will hear the matter, all the sides will be heard, and for now, calm needs to be maintained, Niranjan.
And a few minutes back, we also had some pictures coming from different parts of the state of Karnataka, Rhythm, where violence was reported. When the court and the Justice Dixit in the Karnataka High Court mentioned that there was, when a judge sees blood and fire and violence, it clouds the mind. He said, it's not a good situation. And in Karnataka right now, there has been some violence reported. We are being very measured, very responsible in what we put out and what we bring to our viewers. There's been violence reported in different parts of Karnataka. In some districts, stone pelting. In some districts, people have been lathi charged. In others, people have been injured. We had some pictures come in a few minutes back of injured people being taken to the hospitals as well. So we'll hold on to that, while we also reiterate what the court has said. Once again, I'm reiterating and I'm handing it over to Rhythm. Rhythm, the court has said, pending further hearing of the matter, requests student community and public at large to maintain peace and tranquility. The court has full faith in the wisdom and virtue of public at large and hopes the same would be put to practice. Adding that we will continue tomorrow, all can argue, but make sure that the arguments do not go on till the end of the academic year, etc. Everyone on record will be permitted, subject to duplication. Keep it short. But what is also important and critical in what the court has observed and some of the arguments that have been made, I think, of the petitioners, saying that they will ensure, or rather they are saying that, their clients will not resort to any violence. But the Advocate General has also said, and he's taken objection to a lot of arguments being made by the petitioners in this particular case,